Yes, Pong, that might work.
Excuse me, Captain, can I ask what you're doing?
Yes, Poogle. Lieutenant Pong has discovered that the Earth's crust contains valuable metal, which is exactly what we need to make our new space pod. But how do we get to it?
Well, Buster, you don't need to get to it. I think you might find that there is some metal closer than you think.
Really?
In fact, there's some right in front of you.
Where?
Now it's behind you.
What?
It's behind you.
Wait, I don't understand. Well, what? Oh, I see. You mean this can of drink. Of course, this is made out of metal. But how can we use a used drink can to make a space pod?
Well, Buster, anything made of aluminium or steel metals can be recycled. Not only cans,
Oh, yes.
but foil, food trays,
Right, yeah. Huh?
aerosols,
Ta-da!
and even chocolate tins. They can be melted down and used to make new things like space pods.
Wowzer! Earthlings can recycle loads of metal things.
Yes, and lots of these things are collected from outside their homes in special recycling bins. But there are some things that Earthlings can't recycle yet, like crisp packets or food pouches.
Oh, do they have to go into the rubbish bin then?
Yes, Buster.
Right.
Earthlings can check exactly what can go in the recycling bin at their home by typing in their postcode on the special recycling locator.
Wow, that is clever. But how exactly does recycling metal things help the environment? Download a knowledge file, please, Poogle.
Yes, Buster. Knowledge file downloading. Why recycle metals? 1. Recycling saves energy. It uses less energy and is cheaper to make new metal things from recycled metals than it does if you use new materials. 2. Recycling saves resources. Valuable metal resources are used again and not wasted. 3. Recycling turns old metal things into brand new tins, cans, and other metal products.
So, recycling. 1. Saves energy. 2. Saves resources. 3. Makes new things. 3, 2, 1. Recycle.
Would you like to see a film that explains what happens to cans when they're sent to be recycled?
Yes, please, Poogle. Get the popcorn, Pong.
Last year in the UK, we recycled around 4.5 billion aluminium cans. That's enough to stretch around the world over 13 times. Here's how we do it. Food tins and drinks cans are sorted from other materials, either by hand or by machine. Magnets are used to separate steel from aluminium, and the separated cans are baled. At the aluminium recycling plant, bales of cans are shredded into smaller pieces.
So, does this mean all cans and tins can be recycled, not just drinks cans?
Yes, Buster. They just need to be empty and rinsed before they're put in the recycling bin.
Even baked bean tins?
Yes, Buster.
And soup cans?
Yes, Buster.
Cans of custard?
Yes, Buster. All of these cans. Now, do you want to see the rest of the film?
Oh, yes, sorry, Poogle. Play on. Oh, lovely, Pong. Well done.
Bales of cans are shredded into smaller pieces. The shreds are heated so that the decoration can be removed by blown air. These small pieces of aluminium are fed into a furnace which is heated to 750 degrees Celsius. The molten metal is then poured and continuously cooled by water. As it cools, a block or ingot is formed. Aluminium ingots are then rolled into very thin sheets at a rolling mill, ready to be made back into more cans, which can be back on sale in just 8 weeks.
Wow, that's amazing. A new can is made really quickly.
Yes, and that same can can be recycled again and again.
And again, and again, and again, and again.
Yes, Buster. I think you've got it.
OK, Poogle, I think it's time for an emergency transmission.
OK, Busta. Transmitter activated.
Calling all Earthlings! Calling all Earthlings! We need your help! Your mission is to stop used cans and other metal stuff from going into the rubbish bin. Make sure they're recycled so that they can be made into nice new things. Good luck, Wastebusters! The Earth needs you. This is Captain Busta, signing out!